शिवरात्रेश्वर शिव योगी महास्वामी जी की जयंती समारोह में संबोधन दे रहे हैं।
जगत गुरु श्री शिवरात्रि देशी केंद्र महास्वामी जी, यूनियन मिनिस्टर ऑफ हेवी इंडस्ट्री एंड स्टील श्री H.D. Kumar Swami ji. Perhaps you all know today is birthday of Minister H.D. Kumar Swami ji. So I wish him a happy birthday and compliments for health and prosperity. Minister for Agriculture and District in charge Government of Karnataka, Shri N. Chalugare Barya Swami ji, Chief Patron of Jayanti Celebrations Committee, Shri Chanavasava Swami ji, Members of Legislative Assembly of Malawali Constituency, Shri P.M. Narendra Swami ji, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Yellaruku Namaskar. I extend my heartfelt greetings to all of you gathered here to celebrate the Jayanti of Adi Jagat Guru Sri Shivaratri Sir Shiv Yogi Mahaswami ji. Feel deeply blessed to participate in this historic occasion that honors the great saint. His life, vision and teachings continue to inspire and guide countless people after more than 1,000 years. Across the ages, saints have enlightened humanity through their wisdom and compassion. Their lives remind us that true greatness lies not in authority or wealth, but in sacrifice, service and spiritual strength. Among such greatest saints, Adi Jagat Guru Sri Shivaratri Sir Shivayogi Mahaswami ji shines as a beacon of light and inspiration. In the 10th century, Jagat Guru established the Jagat Guru Sri Bir Singhasan Mahasansthan Math at Sutur. What began as a sacred spiritual center soon became a powerful force for social transformation. The Math emerged as a center of wisdom, nurturing generations with values of disciplines, devotion and compassion. The unbroken Guru lineage of Sutur is the living soul of this great tradition. It has preserved and strengthened the spiritual values passed down through generations. Adi Jagat Guru Mahaswami ji exemplified intense spiritual discipline and deep inner wisdom. Jagat Guru Dr. Sri Shivaratri Rajendra Mahaswami ji carried his legacy forward through visionary and compassionate public service. I have been told that his contributions to religion, education, healthcare and culture are benefiting millions. Ladies and gentlemen, Karnataka is the sacred land of the great saints. An expression but a way of life. I am happy to know that this philosophy finds its true reflection in the ideals and activities of the Sutur Math, where spiritual pursuit and social service go hand in hand. I am pleased to note that under the guidance and patronage of the Math, the JSS Mahavidya Pitha has emerged as one of the India's distinguished institutions dedicated to the advancement of education and social development. With several institutions across the world, it is engaged in shaping young minds, delivering health care, empowering women, uplifting rural communities, preserving culture and strengthening the foundation of an inclusive society. Sutur Math stands tall as one of the pillars of social development. Ladies and gentlemen, in an age of rapid change and uncertainty, spiritual guidance is essential for nurturing social harmony, ethical leadership, youth empowerment, and inner resilience. As we move towards the vision of developed India by 2047, we need both the power of technology and the strength of values. A developed India requires the integration of modern education with moral wisdoms, innovation with environmental responsibility, economic growth with social inclusion, and progress with compassion. The Government of India is working with this holistic vision. Institutions like Sutur Math can play a substantial role in this national endeavor. Our spiritual institutions remind us of the values that binds humanity together, the values of compassion, tolerance, mutual respect, and collective responsibility. These are not merely ideals of the past. They are essential foundations for a strong and harmonious modern world. The Government of India remains committed to building a future guided by inclusion, service, and human dignity. Our greatest strength lies in our youth, their energy, creativity, values, and character. The destiny of India will be shaped not only by their skills and knowledge, but by their integrity and sense of purpose. I urge institutions like Sutur Math to continue inspiring young minds, nurturing responsible citizens, and guiding the architect of tomorrow's India. The celebration of the Jayanti of Adi Jagadguru Sri Sivaratriswar Shivayogi Mahaswamiji is a reaffirmation of our collective commitment to a life guided by dharma, compassion, service, and unity. I pray that the divine grace of Shivayogi Mahaswamiji continues to inspire this month to uplift this region and to contribute in our national efforts for peace, prosperity, and spiritual strength. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.